We love camping, but after one too many flat air mattresses and soggy tent mornings, we were done. So we built our own teardrop trailer. Here's how it went and what we'd do differently. We actually tried the big rig life first. We bought a fifth wheel, but it didn't take long to realize we were stuck in big campgrounds and couldn't get deep into the forest where we really wanted to be. We looked at manufactured teardrops, but wow, those price tags. So we did what any stubborn campers would do. We bought some plans and built our own. We started with a frame welded by a friend, because welding it ourselves would have been a whole different video. We added Timbren axle-less suspension and an articulating hitch, because we wanted to go off-road without rattling our teeth out. The floor is 1/4 inch plywood, 1x4 framing, and 3/4 inch insulation topped with linoleum because comfort matters even in the woods. The walls, 2 layers of 1/2 inch plywood, birch on the inside, exterior grade on the outside, solid, simple, and strong enough to survive a few trail bumps. Next came the cabinets, 3/4 inch birch plywood for both the cabin and the galley. We cut out the door holes and installed pre-made doors, but honestly, you can make your own from the cutouts if you're feeling brave. Cabin ceiling is 1/8 inch birch plywood. Then we added roof trusses, insulation, and ran wiring for lights, USB ports, and 12-volt plugs, because charging your phone in the woods is still a thing. The roof itself, also 1/8 inch plywood, lightweight but strong. The exterior is covered in aluminum, and let me tell you, that was a journey. Finding 5x10 painted sheets was tough. I had to buy raw aluminum and get it powder coated. Cutting it, not fun. Even with cutting oil, the router bits kept plugging up. If I did it again, I'd skip the aluminum and go with fiberglass siding or maybe even rhino lining. Surprisingly, the hatch was easier than expected. It actually came together pretty smoothly, which was a nice change of pace. If I were to do it again, I'd definitely use a CNC machine to cut the walls. It would have saved a lot of time and sanding. And like I said, no aluminum next time. Too much hassle. Fiberglass or rhino lining all the way. All in, we spent about $9,500. Not cheap, but way less than buying a manufactured teardrop, and we got exactly what we wanted. Now we can camp deep in the forest, stay dry, and sleep on a real mattress. No more air leaks, no more tent zippers at 2 a.m. If you're thinking about building your own teardrop, I say go for it. Just maybe don't start with aluminum. Hit like if you ever had a tent collapse on you, and subscribe for more campsite reviews, DIY builds, and lessons learned the hard way.